Okay, let us solve this differential equation. D squared minus 1 of y is e to the x plus 1. So this is a non-homogeneous differential equation, and then we will solve this using variation of parameters. The general solution is y equals y sub c plus y sub p, where our y sub c is c sub 1 times y sub 1 plus c sub 2 times y sub 2. Y sub 1 and y sub 2 here are functions of x, while c sub 1 and c sub 2 are arbitrary constants. And our particular solution y sub p is u sub 1 times y sub 1 plus u sub 2 times y sub 2. So that's the same y sub 1, and these are the same y sub 2. Our coefficients now, u1 and u sub 2, are functions of x. They are not arbitrary constants. So we need to solve for this one. To solve u sub 1 and u sub 2, we need two equations. And that will be u sub 1 prime times y sub 1 plus u sub 2 prime times y sub 2 equals 0. Another one is u sub 1 prime times y sub 1 prime plus u sub 2 prime times y sub 2 prime is equal to the right side of the equation here, or r of x. Okay, so we have u sub 1 prime, that's the first derivative of u sub 1. U sub 2 prime is the first derivative of u sub 2. Y sub 1 prime is the first derivative of y sub 1, and y sub 2 prime is the first derivative of y sub 2. So we start by solving y sub c so that we can get our y sub 1 and y sub 2. So we write the auxiliary equation to get the roots, and the roots are plus and minus 1. That means our y sub c is, these are distinct roots. Our y sub c is c sub 1 times e to the x plus c sub 2 times e to the negative x. And it follows that our y sub p is u sub 1 e to the x plus u sub 2 e to the negative x. Okay, so we have this one now. Then we write the two equations. We have u sub 1 prime times y sub 1, which is this one, plus u sub 2 prime times y sub 2, which is e to the negative x, equals 0. So the next equation will be u sub 1 prime. Y sub 1 prime is the derivative of this one, which is also e to the x. Then we have u sub 2 prime, and y sub 2 prime is the derivative of this, which is negative e to the negative x. That means this is negative e to the negative x. And our r of x is the right side of the equation here, e to the x plus 1. Okay, so we will solve for u sub 1 prime and u sub 2 prime. We can add this one so that we can eliminate u sub 2 and solve for u sub 1. Or subtract this so we can eliminate u sub 1 and solve for u sub 2. Or we can also use the Wronskian. So if we will use the Wronskian, that means our u sub 1 prime is w sub 1 over w. U sub 2 prime is w sub 2 over w. Where w is, we write y sub 1 here and y sub 2, which is e to the x and e to the negative x. Then the next row would be the first derivative of this. That means the derivative of this is e to the x. Derivative of that is negative e to the negative x. Then we find the determinant. We multiply this. We get the product, which is negative e to the x minus x is 0. And then we subtract this product, which is e to the x to the x minus x also 0. So that's negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. And w sub 1 is, the first column will be the right side of the equation here. So we have e to the, so we have 0 and e to the x plus 1. That's 0 and e to the x plus 1. Then we copy the last column, e to the minus x, negative e to the minus x. And then we get the determinant. This product minus this product is 0. This times this is e to the 0. And this times this is e to the negative x. So this is negative 1 minus e to the negative x. W sub 2 equals, we copy the first column, and the second column will be this one, 0, e to the x plus 1. And then we get the difference of these products, this minus this. So this times this is e to the 2x. This times this is e to the x minus this times this, which is 0. So our w sub 2 is e to the 2x plus e to the x. So now, our u sub 1 prime, which is this one, is negative 1 minus e to the negative x over negative 2, or that's 1 half plus e to the negative x over 2. And our u sub 2 prime is w sub 2 over w. That's e to the 2x plus e to the x over negative 2. It's just negative e to the 2x over 2 minus e to the x over. Okay, so we have u sub 1 prime and u sub 2 prime. But what we need is u sub 1 and u sub 2. So we need to integrate this one. The integral of u sub 1 prime is u sub 1. And the integral of this is x over 2 minus e to the negative x over 2. And the integral of u sub 2 prime is, this becomes negative e to the 2x over 2 times 2, which is 4. And this one will remain the same, equal to minus e to the x over 2. So we now have our u sub 1 and u sub 2. We will substitute that here to get our y sub p. So our y sub p is u sub 1, which is this one, x over 2 minus e to the negative x over 2, multiplied by this e to the x plus u sub 2, which is this, negative e to the 2x over 4 minus this e to the x over 2, multiplied by this one, e to the negative x. So we simplify, multiply this, we get x e to the x over 2. We multiply this, we have e to the minus x plus x, that's e to the 0, over 2. This product will give you e to the 2 minus 1 is x over 4. This one will give you negative e to the 0 over 2. So y sub p is x e to the x over 2. Let's write this one first. E to the x over 4. So this is 1 half. 1 half. So minus 1 half minus 1 half is negative 1. And our final answer, y is y sub c plus y sub p. So y is c sub 1 e to the x plus c sub 2 e to the negative x plus this x e to the x over 2 minus e to the x over 4 minus 1.